got the hammer down and tucked in, trying to go as fast as they possibly can. Let's see what we're going to have in the first lap here. Who's going to take the honors on that first lap of leading it all the way in? Sportsman Sidewinder, grid please. Here we go. First lap is in the book. Sportsman Sidewinder grid, Sportsman Sidewinder grid, Yamaha Masters pre-grid, pre-grid. We're coming down to the close of lap 2. What are we going to have here? I'll bet you Cal puts some fast lap on the board. And he did. That is right time. Sportsman Sidewinder on the grid, on the grid. Sportsman Sidewinder on the grid. Yamaha Masters, pre-grid, pre-grid please. Making a statement, he's led all 3 laps and set the fast lap for each one. Matthew's not having anything to do with that. He's picking up the pace. He's getting pretty close. Time-wise, let's see if he can close that gap. Had a failure on the 180, ladies and gentlemen. Jeff is now in second. He's now in third. That Ingo is in fourth. Sidewinder's grid, Sportsman Sidewinder grid, Yamaha Masters pre-grid, pre-grid, white flag, folks, white flag. Tell the Ironman Bowman's going to make it all the way. I'll say that's what that thing does for you. He's the Ironman. 6 races this weekend, 6. Times 3. He's got more track time than anybody else. Sidewinder. Drivers to your carts. Gather to your carts. Yamaha Master, get ready to pull up under the grid as soon as Sidewinder pulls out. We got our man Bowman going down the back straight, going that left-hander. He's got that checkered flag in his sights. He's ready for that. He wants to put another win in the book. Fast lap. Wins led lap to lap. Checkered flag for Iron Man Bowman. Congratulations, everybody. We got a battle going on for second place right now. Let's see what's going to happen here. They're coming down tight. They're working their carts. They're working at it. Oh, clean. Clean.